Life hacks, great ways to make complicated tasks easy. Oftentimes we are stuck with the traditional use of a tool. Even though the tool can be useful in other aspects of life, we tend to use it for only its desired purpose. Life hacks try to draw out new functions from common everyday items in a way that will make a particular process more effortless. So in this video, we have put together a list of 8 life hacks that will make your life easier. Make sure you watch to the end, because you might have overlooked some of the life hacks on this list. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to get updates on new videos. Number 8. Use a clothespin to hold nails or screws when working on a DIY project. A clothespin is a handy tool to hold nails or screws in place when you are working on a DIY project. You can clip the clothespin onto the nail or screw, which will keep it in place while you hold the hammer or drill, allowing you to work with both hands. This makes it easier to line up the nail or screw with the surface you are working on, and it also prevents the nail or screws from falling out of the hammer or drill bit. Number 7. Use a binder clip to organize cords and cables. Binder clips can be used to organize cords and cables in a neat and tidy way. You can use a binder clip to keep cords from getting tangled and to keep them from falling behind your desk. You can also use a binder clip to label cords and cables, making it easier to identify which cord goes with which device. Number 6. Use a rubber band to open a tight jar lid. If you are having trouble opening a jar lid, try using a rubber band to give you a better grip. Simply place the rubber band around the lid and use it to get a better grip on the lid, making it easier to twist it open. Number 5. Use a shower cap to cover your shoes when packing a suitcase. To keep your clothes clean while packing your suitcase, you can use a shower cap to cover your shoes. This will prevent your shoes from getting your clothes dirty and also help to keep your suitcase organized. This life hack is a great practice to adopt during your travels. Number 4. Use a sheet of bubble wrap to dry delicate items in the dishwasher. Bubble wrap is excellent for protecting fragile items during transportation, but it can also be used in the dishwasher to protect delicate items from getting damaged. By placing a sheet of bubble wrap on the dishwasher's bottom rack, you can put delicate items on top of it, and the bubbles will cushion them, protecting them from the dishwasher's strong jets. Number 3. Use a carabiner to organize your keys. A carabiner is a handy tool that can be used to organize your keys. You can attach your keys to the carabiner, making it easy to find and grab the keys you need. The carabiner can also be attached to a belt loop or bag, making it even more convenient to carry. Number 2. Use a silicone cupcake liner to open stuck jars. If you are struggling to open a stubborn jar, try using a silicone cupcake liner to give you a better grip. The rubber-like material of the liner provides a non-slip surface, giving you more leverage to twist the lid open. This option is great when the rubber band hack fails to work. Number 1. Use a banana peel to polish shoes. The next life hack may sound weird, but it actually works. The inside of a banana peel can be used to polish shoes. The enzymes and the natural oils on the peel can remove scuff marks and stains on the shoes. All you need to do is to rub the peel on the shoes and then wipe them clean with a damp cloth. That's all, folks. Those are 8 life hacks that will make life easier. If you know any other great life hacks, or you have some concerns about the ones listed here, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.